Have you ever wondered why the Qur'an can be recited in slightly different ways, yet every version is completely authentic? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the 10 Qirā'āt, the 10 recognized methods of reciting the Qur'an that have been passed down through generations. But first, let's answer a simple question. What exactly are the Qirā'āt? The word Qirā'ah literally means recitation. In the context of the Qur'an, it refers to a recognized method of pronouncing the words of Allah with slight variations that are authentic and transmitted through reliable chains of narrators. These variations were developed naturally over the first few generations of Islam. As the Qur'an was revealed to Nabiyuna Muhammad sallallahu alaihi, the companions memorized it, taught it, and transmitted it to their students. Over time, small regional differences emerged, reflecting the dialects and speech patterns of the Arabs, but all were perfectly consistent with the Quranic text. Now, let's briefly go through the 10 Qirā'āt with short descriptions. 1. Nafir al-Madini. This Qirā'ah comes from Nafir al-Madini. It is known for its smooth and flowing pronunciation. It was primarily transmitted through Qalun and Warsh, which are the two main roots from Nafir.
مالك يوم الدين.
2. Ibn Kathir. The Qirā'ah of Ibn Kathir al-Makki is clear and straightforward. Its narrators include al-Bazzi and al-Qunbul, who helped preserve the style of recitation in Mecca.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
3. Abi Amr. Abu Amr ibn al-Ala focused on precise articulation and careful vowels. His recitation is often characterized by attention to grammar rules.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم ملك يوم الدين إياك نعبد.
4. Ibn Amir. The Qirā'ah of Ibn Amir al-Makki has a unique style that is slightly slower and melodic. It was transmitted through Ad-Duri and As-Susi. 5. Asim. Asim ibn Abi al-Najud's recitation is widely known today, especially through Hafs and Shorba. It is the most popular style globally. 6. Hafsun. The Hafs and Asim recitation is a branch of Asim's Qirā'ah. It is the most common version used across the Muslim world. Its clarity and rhythm make it easy to memorize.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين.
7. Shorba. Shuba and Asim is another route from Asim. It preserves some subtle differences in pronunciation compared to Hafs. 8. Ibn Dhaki. The recitation of Ibn Dhaki is less widely known but notable for its careful adherence to original Arabic dialects. 9. Yahya. The Qirā'ah of Yahya ibn Yamur is melodic and emphasizes proper elongation of vowels. 10. Khalaf an Hamza. Finally, Khalaf an Hamza is recognized for specific vowel shifts that are authentic and transmitted reliably. For example, you might hear Virata al-Ladina and alayhum, which may sound unfamiliar if you only know Hafs, but it is perfectly valid.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم.
Khalaf.
سبح اسم ربك الأعلى الذي خلق فسوى والذي قدر فهدى.
In conclusion, the 10 Qirā'āt remind us of the richness of the Qur'an. Each Qirā'ah preserves the divine words faithfully, while offering slight variations in pronunciation, melody, and rhythm. So the next time you hear someone reciting differently than you, remember, it may be one of the authentic Qirā'āt, and all of them are valid.